In this video, we'll help you get started with Daily Grain as a grower, from logging in to navigating the platform. To access Daily Grain, navigate to dailygrain.com.au. Click the Sign In button and enter your existing credentials, then click Login. Or if you're a new user, choose Sign Up and follow the sign up steps. Once you are logged in, you'll be welcomed with your dashboard. The tabs on the left side take you to various aspects of Daily Grain. Prices allows you to view published prices of registered buyers, market news, snapshots related to your activity, charts, and for premium members, changes in price alerts. MarketPlace is the trading platform we support growers with, allowing you to see bids, place offers, view trades, and your activity on the platform. Deliveries shows you a summary of your deliveries for each season. Sales contains your contracts and provides functionality for planning purposes. Premium members have access to Optimizer Plus, which allows them to optimize the quality of their grain and secure the highest return based on quality and contracts. Top 5 is the default view and allows you to set customized notifications across port zones and seasons. Clicking Options brings up some more settings. You can turn on email notifications and track activity across multiple port zones. You can access account information by clicking on your name and selecting My Account. If you have not yet linked Daily Grain with your LoadNet account, scroll down to the Linked Grower Numbers section and click Update Grower Numbers. Accept the user agreement and click Associate Account. An Authenticate button will appear. Click on this and enter in your LoadNet personal access number in the pop-up window, then click Continue. You will be required to verify your email for security purposes. Click Send Verification Code, then check your email and enter in the verification code sent by CBH. Click Verify Code, then click Continue. The pop-up will disappear. Then click Associate Account. That should set you up to use Daily Grain. Please continue to use the platform, and if you have any issues, please contact the Daily Grain team on 08 9416 6244 or via our email info@dailygrain.com.au.